Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome again to my channel. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the registration servlet. So basically, but before we actually work on the servlet itself, there's a couple of things I think we need to set up first. Now, I'm going to first start off by setting up the database connection class. So within here, within the source folder, I'm going to just create a package there. Then I'm going to name it, I think I should just say something like com.register, and then from there I'm gonna name the folder, I think, utilities. All right, so within this package, this is where I'll create the database connection class. Okay. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna add within this class is the credentials for connecting to the database along with the connection string. So the first thing I need to do there is uh, so the username for my database is gonna be JSON, and then actually I want to copy this here, and then the password. I just kept it simple. I said JSON 123. Now, obviously, your username and password will be different based on what you set up in your for your database, but these are the credentials I went for. Now I need to do the connection string, which is going to be JDBC MySQL localhost port 303306, and then the database name we went for was login register underscore v1. So I'm just going to copy it and then paste it there. Okay, so now I'm going to create connection method. So it's going to be okay. The connection itself, I'm going to set it to null initially. So I'm just going to say connection and then con and equal to null, and then just going to return con here. So other thing is that we also need to import that into our page at the top there. Right. So the other thing is I need to actually set the load the driver itself. So for that I need to say class dot forename, and then the string for that will be dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. So I'm gonna say add a throw. I'm gonna add a throws declaration there at the top there of the method. Okay, so here I'm gonna say return con dot get connection. So now with this, we can then add the connection string that we added there at the top. Then here we'll say username and then password. All right. So also I'm gonna surround that with the try catch block. Just gonna put a manual error there just to see where we are within the console. So I'm just gonna say error connecting to database. Okay, so I think that is it for now in terms of the connection, the database connection class. So this is every time we need to connect to the database and execute the SQL statement, this is the class that I will be calling.